Preview.
Hello friends, this is Manigandan, founder and CEO of LeTechs. In this video, you will learn how to insert your external indicator into your MT5 desktop application. Next, how to attach or add your inserted indicator into your charts. Okay. Before seeing this video, still if you don't have a trading account with best global Forex brokers, check in this video description box. So I give some few best Forex brokers account opening link. So register your account through this link. When you are registered, if you face any difficult or if you have any doubts, you can text me in my WhatsApp. So I will help you. Next, come to the video. So first we will see how to insert your external indicator into your MT5 trading applications. So first you one thing understand, you can insert external indicator into your desktop versions only. You cannot add or insert any external indicator into your mobile versions. Next, go to MT5 applications. In the screen left top of the corner, go to File. In the pop-up menu, open data folder. So one pop-up screen will appear. In this screen, open MQL5 folder. Next, open indicator folders. So next, minimize this screen and your MT5 application. Next, go to your indicator, your external indicator stored file locations. So just copy your indicator, external indicator. Next, minimize this folder. Again, go to your MT5 indicator folders. Just paste your indicator. Again, close this indicator folder. Just to close and reopen your MT5 application. Now your indicator list will refreshed. So your external inserted your indicator name also shows under the indicator name, indicator list. So now you have successfully inserted your external indicator into your MT5 applications. Next we will see how to add or attach your external inserted indicator into your MT5 chart. So just double click your indicator. So one pop-up screen will appear. This is the indicator options. So this is common option. Next inputs. This is your indicator parameters. Suppose if you want to modify or change your parameter settings, you can modify. Next thing, color options, your candle color or your indicator lines or something, your indicator colors. So you can next visualizations. So which time frames you want to display these indicators. So if you choose all time frames, your indicator will appear your all time frames like minutes 1, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, hour, daily, weekly, like that. So or otherwise, if you want to a particular time frames, you want to just visualize any one time frames, you can choose the particular time frame. Otherwise you can leave it all time frame options. Just select all time frame options. Next, click on OK. So if you click on OK, your indicator will be appear in the charts. So another option, cancel, means there's a cancel. Reset means if you click on reset options, your default indicator parameters will be changed. So just now I click on OK. You can check here. So my external indicators will be sourced in my chart. This is a super trend indicator. My externally added indicators or inserted indicators now appear in my charts. You can see. So you can check. So I choose all time frames. So that's why indicator showing all my time frames. And the same as you can add or attach your external indicator from the different options also. So in the top of the screen, a lot of option icons are source. So this is the indicator icon. So you can add or attach your indicators from here also. But one thing, you cannot add or attach your customized or external indicator from here. So from here you can add or attach default or inbuilt indicators only. So suppose if you want to add or attach external indicators, inserted indicators, so you can use these options only. So from the navigator menu only you can add or attach. Okay. So now you learned about how to add or attach your external indicators into your chart. Next we will see how to modify or edit my parameters, already inserted indicator parameters. Just right click in the chart screen, go to indicator list. So here you can see what are the indicators you already have attached in the chart. All the screen list will be shows here. So just I have inserted only one indicator, so super trend, so that's why only one indicator shows here. Just click on the indicator in the right side top of the corner, click on the properties. You can again modify or edit your parameters. So for example, period, just I modified 100. So next again my modified parameters, next click on the OK. Now my indicator will be modified based on the my latest or modified indicator parameters. Okay, so the same as next we will see how to delete already attached or added indicators from the chart. So again right click, so go to indicator list. So next select the indicator in the right side top of the corner, so click on the delete. So your inserted indicators will be disappear from your chart. Okay, so almost you got the knowledge about how to insert your external indicator into a MT5 applications. Next, how to add or attach your externally inserted your indicator into your chart. Next, how to modify your already inserted already attached indicator parameters. Next, how to delete or remove your already attached your indicator from your chart. So still if you have any doubts, you can text me in my WhatsApp, so I will help you. So next we will see in our next video like some other topics. So thanks for watching this video.